Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make group tabs in Opera GX. Without further ado, let's get started. So unlike on Google Chrome where you can group tabs, Opera GX doesn't have that exact feature. Instead, what they have and what you can use as a workaround are workspaces, which have almost the same function as group tabs. So to do this, click on the settings on the left sidebar. Then here on the search bar, type Workspaces. Then these options will appear. All you have to do is to toggle on Enable Workspaces. Then this icon on the left, as you can see, will appear. So let's just close the settings first. Then to organize your tabs in these workspaces, next thing that you need to do is to right-click on the workspace icon, then click on Manage Workspaces. Then here, you can create as many workspaces as you want. We currently have 2. So let's add another one here. So to add, just click on Add More. Then here, you can select any icon for each workspace. Let's just choose this play button icon. Then you can also edit the name of the workspace. So let's name it YouTube. Then click on Save. And you basically just have to do the same thing with other workspaces. So let me just quickly edit these 2. So I just made 3 workspaces. I named them Shopee, Facebook, and YouTube. Now to add tabs here, just go to the website first. So let's say Facebook. Once you're on your desired website, just right-click on the tab. Click on Move Tab to Workspace. Then click the workspace you want to add this to. So Facebook for this one. And you may be wondering why we only have 2 workspaces here on the list, but we actually made 3. We cannot see Shopee workspace here because we are currently in that workspace. Now to add tab to Shopee workspace, you just have to go to your other workspace and go to your desired website, in our case, Shopee. Then right-click on the tab, click on Move Tab to Workspace, and here now we see the Shopee workspace. So let's just add it there. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.